Hi, I want to explain a KVM switch to connect two computers to one monitor. Now, the monitor that I've got connected is part of a dual monitor setup I've got on the Linux Mint workstation. But I recently was gifted a Nook computer, and I didn't have a monitor. And I didn't have room for another monitor, actually. So the solution was a $13 KVM switch, which stands for Keyboard Video Mouse. And I've got an image on the Google document. If you go to the guyrcookreport.podbean.com, the KVM switch document is there, and it'll show you a picture that explains that you plug the one monitor goes into one side, and the other side you've got two HDMI cables and two USB cables to connect the two devices. In this case, the Nook workstation, and the other one goes to the Linux workstation. So then by just pushing a button on the top, and you'll see it in the picture, pushing that button, I can go from device 1 to device 2, easy as cake. And that's what you want to do to get it done. KVM switch saves you a lot of space, a lot of frustration over how you're going to hook those two things up, etc. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.